Good day everyone, my name is Chemaros Lemas and this is my persuasive speech. It's all about the power of curiosity. Imagine a world where every day is a new adventure, where every encounter is a chance to learn, and every question is a stepping stone to discovery. This is the world of curiosity, a powerful force that drives us to explore, to understand, and to grow. Today, I want to ignite that spark of curiosity within you, to remind you of its immense power, and to encourage you to embrace it as a lifelong companion. Curiosity is not simply a fleeting interest, it's a fundamental human drive that fuels our intellectual and personal growth. It pushes us beyond our comfort zones, expands our horizons, and opens doors to new possibilities. When, when we are curious, we become active learner, eager to observe knowledge and experiences. Think of the great explorers of history, driven by curiosity to navigate uncharted territories, to understand different cultures, and to push the boundaries of human knowledge. From Christopher Columbus to Neil Armstrong, their insatiable curiosity lead them to achieve extraordinary feats. The importance of curiosity in today's world. In our fast-paced, information-saturated world, curiosity is more important than ever. It helps us navigate the complexities of life, to discern truth from fiction, and to make informed decisions. It allows us to adapt to change, to embrace new ideas, and to find meaning in a world that can often feel overwhelming. Curiosity is not an innate trait, it's a muscle that needs to be exercised. We can cultivate it by asking questions, engaging in conversations, exploring new interests, and embracing challenges. It's about being open to new perspectives, questioning assumptions, and seeking out knowledge. The world is a vast and wonderful place, filled with endless possibilities. Curiosity is the key to unlock these possibilities, to experiencing life to the fullest, and to leaving a lasting impact on the world. So, let us embrace curiosity as a guiding light, a source of inspiration, and a lifelong journey of discovery. Let us never stop asking questions, exploring new horizons, and seeking to understand the world around us. Thank you.